Hello, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute since I posted a video, yikes, but we are back today. And I wanted to start filming videos again because I am leaving for a study abroad in Belgium. So I'll be there for about 3 months. And I know that when I was trying to decide on which study abroad to apply to, or if I even wanted to study abroad, I went on YouTube and watched videos about study abroad, travel, college, all of that for literally hours. So I thought, okay, if it's helpful for me, I'm sure other people are thinking the same thing. They want some advice, want to see what it's like day to day. So that's what I'm gonna do. Most of them is gonna be vlog style as far as just, weekend trips, moving in, all of that. But I wanted to do this sit down video just to give you an overview about what's going on, kind of an update. With that being said, you can look out for new videos coming up soon concerning study abroad, travel, college in general, all of that. And if you want to subscribe below, you can see when those videos come out. And also, if you want to follow me on Instagram, I'll put that below. I'll be a lot more active on there in my stories and posting pictures as far as all my travels. Thank you so much for watching today, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!